Okay, FaithfulTrigger here. I just finished cleaning my bike. There you go, it's all shiny. I used this, put it on water. You can see that. And then thoroughly wash your bike. And then I dried it with aqua dry. It's pretty cool. This is really good. It really absorbs the water. And then I spray wax it and then wipe it off again, you know. There you go. See how clean it is? So after cleaning your bike, so there's a little water on it, so I ride for like 15 minutes to drain off the water on the chain. Let's see. So after the chain is dried and warm, I spread it with this. It's a liquid wrench, chain lube. So you do that like a day before you ride, so the lube will dry out and stick to your chain. Because it's liquid first and then it becomes a gel and it will stick on your chain. And then this is actually WD-40. So what I use this for is to clean my tires, my rims. But don't spray it to the tires because it's gonna be you're gonna slide when you go to the canyons. So just spray it to the rims. See? See, it's all shiny too. It's pretty good because it seals off water too, so it will protect your rims from water. See, it's all shiny. See, the rims are all shiny. Alright, you guys have a good day. Bye.